Time for an update. As you can see, we got the track lighting up. More lighting. We have the AV wires have been pulled to the front desk. Got some AV wire hanging right there. We have flooring. It is dirty, but it's okay. There you have it. All the way in the back, that's where the AV rack is going to go. The AV wires have been pulled. They are in place. You can see them hanging right there. That's for the projector. Fans are running right now. Got the black lights hung. It's coming together slowly but surely. Hang tight. We'll be ready in no time.